Hello. As some of you may remember, we've covered RK Royal Kludge in the past, so we're back. And this one is their full-size keyboard. It looks super cute. I love the color scheme. It is the RK S98. So let's unbox it. It's surprisingly very heavy. It's a very heavy box, so I have high hopes. Oh, okay, so this one looks like the turquoise green with the linear viridian switches. You guys know why I picked turquoise green, right? Because turquoise is the best color. I think this is aluminum. It's very heavy, dude. What's going on here? It's very heavy. Look at that. I love the color. I love that. Take the little plastic off, shall we? Oh yeah, that's a beaut. We have the front. Wow. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, that's going on the wall. Big time. RK Royal Kludge logo at the bottom. Nothing on the right side. What have we got on the back? We got Type-C. Oh, we have power pass-through. Hey, it's got a USB. You can plug other stuff in. Oh, dude, none of the keyboards I've reviewed so far have had this, but I had one back in the day, a Corsair keyboard that had this, and it was awesome. And I thought I was crazy, but I'm not. Okay, so there's the off-on switch, and then this is like, there's like another little switch right here that can go up or down. And then your USB dongle. And it's magnetic. Very nice. Won't be using that. And then on the bottom, you have your rubber feet. You got rubber feet here too. And then you have extendo feet with rubber on the bottom. This thing's kind of checking all the marks. I genuinely enjoy this. I really, really like this. Do a sound test. Wow. And then you got your little knob. You can click it in and you can twist it and bop it and pull it. I've already made that joke. I'll make it again. I don't care. Comes with a little snack. Just kidding. And then you have your guide. Very nice guide. Look at this guide. Okay. They put money into this guide. Look at this. It's like laminated. It's got staples in it. Normally I get like a folded up piece of paper if I'm lucky, bro. It's a S98 96% wireless mechanical keyboard. It's got a little screen. You guys have seen that. Triple mode wireless keyboard, smart display and knob, diverse RGB backlit, well-lubed stabilizer, 96 keys. DIY software supports hot-swappable RK Well-lubed switches, one built-in USB pass-through port, one Type-C port, and one 2.4G dongle slot. Ultra-long battery life looks like with the backlight off, it's 200 hours of life, and backlight on is about 30 hours. And you can put GIFs on the display if you want. RGB, you could control your RGB brightness, speed, volume, your connection system, RGB mode and color, or layer sound-absorbing foam, ensuring each keystroke is satisfyingly quiet and echo-free. It also comes in other colors. You can get it in lavender purple, sky blue, or clay green. What do we have for accessories? We got extra viridian switches, keycap switch puller, and we have a power cord, and I'm not sure what this little doohickey is. Alright, so let's go ahead and plug it in. See what it looks like. Oh, ho, ho, ho. The RGB is nice and bright. Okay, so you got the RGB stuff. I'm assuming it's like, oh yeah, here, they have little keys for it. They have a little legend on the bottom of the arrow keys, so you can see speed down here. Speed, and then brightness. So I'm assuming it's probably FN. It's all the way up. That's fastest. Slowest. I like about medium. Okay, there's your different modes. Oh yeah, they got some cool modes. Can we put a GIF on screen? Effect, color, brightness, speed, language, return. Oh, so you can change the effects here too. Well, there's one. I don't know how I feel about this one though. Home, GIF. Is it the only one I get? I like this little knob. It's nice. Okay, I guess that's the gift we're stuck with. Now that we got that taken care of, we're gonna hop right into a game real quick. Yeah, baby. I got a good feeling about this one, boys.
More bad guys. Just what we need. Anyone say fireworks?
Am I gonna hit this guy ever?
Powering up. Spring in my step.
Oh my god, please stop moving. I got him. I got him. Hey, buddy, how you doing? Hey, I'm above you.
Plant the flag, people. Target is captured. Anyone say fire?
Oh, not good, fam. I think we can get a hang of Iron Man. I think we can do this.
Get ready. Here come the bad guys.
Spotted. Spotted.
Anyone say fireworks?
Wants to kill you.
That put a spring in my step.
Captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
Bombs away.
Oops. Found the real one.
Together to victory. Some sort of weird robot spider net.
Yeah, get that mother trucker, dude. Get him.
They're right behind you.
I'm gone.
Look out, boys.
Enjoy missile, buddy.
Yeah, sometimes.
How'd you like that missile, pal?
The area's almost yours.
I'm out. I'm out. I'm gone.
Maximum pulse.
I forgot I can use this.
Hold still. I'm trying to.
Why haven't I been using that?
Put a spring in my step.
I found one of them.
Was that it? Oh, okay. I'll take it. Oh, we're going again. We're going again. Okay. We got this, mate. We can do this. Three-part series. No problem, mate.
Well, if it makes you feel like four,
I kind of like Iron Man, bro. I can't lie, dog.
one.
I didn't think about flying up in the air, but I could do that too. I'm going straight up.
Reality is collapsing again. Yes, it must be Tuesday.
I'm pre-firing him. I'm pre-firing him.
Enemy ahead. Prepare to engage.
Does this not reach?
Arachnophobia time. Anyone say fireworks?
It's spider time! Mission area is yours to capture now. Mission area is yours.
Rockets, fire.
Got him. Get wrecked.
Another unsuspecting foe.
Get Iron Man diffed.
These beasts of yours disgust me, Namor.
Anyone say fireworks? Bombs away.
Oh, I'm dead from that. Oops. Too far away. Can I get some heals?
Subverted.
Nice.
Look out below.
Judge, jury,
Never to eat.
executioner!
We have it and we have to keep it.
No, I needed that health. Ah!
Bombs away.
Sorry, I cannot save.
Get Iron Man diffed, fam.
Look out, spider nest. Look out below.
That's okay. Worth it. Worth it. Worth it.
Another unsuspecting foe.
Maximum pulse. Nobody can hit
Correct.
with the pulse cannon.
They're just fighting in the air, man.
Anyone say fireworks? Powering up.
Maximum pulse!
Oh, that's alright, that's alright, that's alright. We got this, we got this. Come on, let me back, bro. Let me back, bro. Come on, I want to be here. I want to be here, dog. We won this. It's too easy, bro. Yes, sir. Oh, dude, I love Iron Man, bro. Iron Man fucks.
Another epic victory. Big win.
96% wireless mechanical keyboard. I thought it was great. Performed beautifully during Marvel Rivals. Didn't leave me with any problems. I love the color scheme. Turquoise is my favorite. So if you want one for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description. Definitely check it out. And yeah, $100. Not bad. I think I'll keep. And it definitely going on the wall because I love the color. It's my favorite. And if you like the video, make sure to smash that like button. Smash it. Smash it. And then once you're done smashing that, hit the subscribe button. Watch this tech review playlist. Really helps support the channel. And I'll see you in the next tech review. Peace.